it lasts really long time, and you don't have to really worry about any issues with them. I have quite a few pair of coach shoes in my collection, and I really have not had any issues, and some of them I have for a long time. I think that I only have one that I've noticed some stuff coming off, a little bit of dry rot inside, and that one is, I have that for years and years, so that didn't concern me, because the outside still looks incredible, together, look like it hasn't been worn. So this is one of the reasons why I always go to Coach shoes, is because of the leather and the durability. It really lasts, and they have really cute shoes as well. Just let me know what you think in the comments. Let me know if you have these, if you like them, and anything that you know about them. But like I said, I'm gonna rock these maybe this Friday, with the girls' night out date, and then see if put some jeans and some stuff like that, see what it looks like, and I'll let you guys know. Once I take it out, you'll see the outfit. All right, guys, so the next one is going to be one that I absolutely love. As you can see, this one is a knee-high. Okay, knee-high boots. It's knee-high, and this one is actually a suede. I actually opened the box, but I haven't actually taken it out, and it is a suede dark brown knee-high boots. This one, oh my God, oh my goodness. I saw this again, just like that one. I was looking around the same time. I bought their black. They had a black leather, and I bought that one, and I loved it. So comfortable, so comfortable. It's my calf. I have not